Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the National Guard 8436 SDKB dark bronze aluminum anodized on aluminum thermal brake or thermal barrier bump up style threshold. Forgive me one moment. Realized we were missing a piece of it there at the end. What you have here's the threshold. This is a 48-inch piece, so it's somewhat difficult to show it to you all in the camera view at one time. Six-inch wide, half-inch height, and then 7/8 of an inch height to here. That sort of profile, the half-inch and the 7/8 would be extremely typical for installation in a hollow metal door, hollow metal frame application, exterior situation where you wanted a bump-up threshold. Thermal brake is a very nice feature, even though it does drive the cost of a threshold up. But it retards the transfer of cold from the exterior part to the interior part by having that very dense piece of plastic there. And basically this threshold is in two pieces. As you can see, it flexes. But that's the designed nature of a thermal brake threshold. The insert, the part that I was missing, slides into the extrusion here, and that is basically a silicone bulb seal. Show you the end profile of it. You can see it there. It's black, which would be typical for a dark bronze threshold, and it would simply slide into the extrusion. It's hard to do it in reverse and with one hand. So I've got it partially slid in there, and I could take that and just pull it all the way in, gently push it all the way through, and so that's what it would look like. For some reason, it's shipped in two pieces from the manufacturer. That's what that seal would look like. Includes the screws, which are taped to the bottom of the threshold, which would most likely be a number 10 by 1.5 flathead sort of screw. Let's get the tape measure and verify some dimensions. You can see that that is 5-inch wide. Pardon me, 6-inch wide, and it is a 36-inch piece, not a 48-inch piece. Half-inch rise from the top of the sill to the bottom, 7/8 of an inch. It might be a little bit harder to see. Just less than one inch, 7/8 of an inch. Available in several different lengths on the website, several different lengths, and of course different finishes. You can get this in an aluminum finish for sure. If you have a need for a custom length, by all means, let us know by ordering the next largest size or sizes, and indicate in the comment field what length you'd like for us to cut these back to. The reasoning is this: well, you don't really want to have to cut something twice if it's not necessary. Plus, you can see that there's a screw hole here. The first one it's about 3 inches off the edge. So if you had to take this 36-inch piece and turn it into a 30-inch piece or 32-inch piece, you'd eliminate that screw altogether, and then your next one's way over here. So when we cut these to length for you, we will locate the countersinks in the proper locations based on the length of the threshold that you're ordering. If you have any questions on the National Guard 8436 DKB bronze thermal brake bump up style threshold or any other National Guard product, please let us know. You know, one thing I do want to mention, this is something that I would know also as a latch track style threshold as well, commonly used in installations where you had a paradors with surface vertical rod exit devices, and you could actually treat the back side of this as the lower strike for that bottom latch assembly on a surface vertical rod exit device. You'd want to, confirm that the exit device latch assembly, the type, and the threshold are completely compatible. I'm not saying that this one is compatible with anything specifically, but this could also be considered a latch track style for those installations. Obviously, handicap is not compliant in a bump up style. This would exceed the allowance for that. This would be technically not handicap compliant. And the wall thickness of this material is 110 thousandths, so it's just less than 1/8 of an inch. If you have any questions on this PEMCO item or any other, pardon me, if you have any questions on this National Guard item or any other National Guard item, very good company, National Guard, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.